Number one, the values for the variables of a, b, and c are graphed on the number line shown. You're going to select if it's true or false based one of those equations. Right. The first one, we have to look for the value of a itself. The value of a is 2 units away from 0. And from the left, it is -1 and -2. So we can say that a has a value of -2. Then b is on the right-hand side, which is positive. And we see that that has 2 units away. So b is a value of 2. C is a total of 4 units away. So here you want to make sure that you label those values, that a equals to 2, b equals to 2, and c is equal to 4. All right, so the first one, when it says a minus b is greater than 0, we plug in the values in for it there. So a, which is -2, minus -2. The way we see this, we should see this as -2 and a -2. -2 and -2 becomes -4, and is that greater than 0? That would be false. Next, a plus b. A is -2, b is 0. -2 plus 0, that is 0, and 0 is equal to 0. That is going to be true. Next, c. C is 4, and we minus the -2 for a. When you see it like this, okay, negative and a negative, this becomes 1 positive. So you can see it like that. 4 plus 2, is that greater than 0? Yes, because that is 6 is greater than 0. Then the last one, b minus c. B is 2 and c is 4. So we have 2 and a -4. This becomes -2 is less than 0. Is -2 less than 0? That is true.